After years carrying passengers, this Boeing 777 begins an extraordinary transformation into a cargo. The aircraft arrives at a specialized facility where engineers prepare its remarkable transformation. Engineers inspect every structural component before beginning the aircraft's complex cargo conversion process. Advanced laser scanners create precise digital models, guiding every modification with exceptional engineering accuracy. The Boeing 777 enters the massive hangar, officially beginning its incredible transformation journey. Technicians remove passenger seats, clearing the cabin for its complete cargo transformation. Overhead bins disappear, exposing hidden wiring and essential aircraft support systems. Galleys and lavatories are removed, creating an empty cabin ready for reconstruction. Engineers remove insulation and wiring, revealing the aircraft's internal aluminum framework. The empty airframe awaits structural reinforcement before beginning its new cargo mission. Engineers remove the cabin floor, exposing the aircraft's structural framework for reinforcement. Every beam undergoes detailed inspection before heavy structural reinforcement begins. High-strength reinforcement beams strengthen the airframe for demanding cargo operations worldwide. A reinforced cargo floor replaces the passenger deck, supporting heavy freight safely. Engineers install a reinforced pressure bulkhead, protecting the cockpit during cargo operations. Engineers carefully mark the fuselage before cutting the massive opening for the new cargo door. Precision cutting begins, creating the large opening required for the aircraft's reinforced cargo door installation. The massive fuselage panel is lifted away, revealing the future main cargo loading entrance. A reinforced cargo door frame restores strength while supporting heavy freight loading operations safely. Engineers repeatedly test the giant cargo door, ensuring smooth operation before final certification begins. Engineers install heavy-duty cargo rollers, enabling massive freight pallets to move smoothly across the reinforced deck. Automatic cargo locks and guide rails securely position every pallet during demanding flight operations safely. New electrical wiring and avionics integrate advanced cargo systems with the aircraft's primary flight controls. Modern fire detection and suppression systems protect valuable cargo throughout every stage of flight safely. The completed cargo deck passes final inspections, preparing the aircraft for exterior restoration and repainting. Technicians remove old paint, carefully preparing every surface for the aircraft's new cargo identity. A protective primer coats the fuselage, preventing corrosion and ensuring a durable exterior finish. Painters apply the Emirates SkyCargo livery, transforming the aircraft with precision and remarkable craftsmanship. Inspectors carefully examine every painted surface, ensuring flawless quality before the aircraft leaves the hangar. The completed Boeing 777 freighter proudly rolls into sunlight, revealing its stunning new appearance worldwide. Test hydraulic systems, ensuring every control surface responds precisely under operational flight conditions. GE90 engines roar alive, proving reliable performance before the aircraft's first certification flight. Pilots perform taxi and braking tests, confirming stable handling and precise ground maneuverability safely. Standard cargo pallets load smoothly, validating the aircraft's advanced freight handling system during testing. The converted Boeing 777 successfully takes flight, beginning its new chapter as a certified freighter. The converted freighter begins commercial service, transporting essential cargo across international destinations with confidence. Every successful flight strengthens global supply chains, delivering critical goods quickly across multiple continents. The 777 freighter operates continuously, supporting worldwide logistics without interruption every day.
Months of engineering transformed this passenger aircraft into an efficient, reliable, world-class cargo.
Its passenger journey ended, but its remarkable cargo legacy continues soaring above the world every day.